Murder, dumping a body, and cover-up allegations against a prominent Modesto defense attorney and 8 others now arrested in connection to the death of a Turlock man found dead in Mariposa County a year and a half after he went missing. And today, for the first time, 5 of those arrested face first-degree murder charges, and they appeared in court.
KCRA 3's Linda Muma was there, and Linda, there was already a lot of legal maneuvering going on in this case.
Yeah, Edie and Golston, if today is any indication, this is going to be a long, complicated trial with multiple layers to unravel. And one hurdle that the court had to overcome today was finding a judge that hasn't worked with Frank Carson, a criminal defense attorney here in town with a long history of success inside the courtroom. A packed wing at Stanislaus Superior Court today.
Well, I think it's unusual to have a lawyer charged with murder, and so this is all new ground.
As prominent Modesto defense attorney Frank Carson and those he allegedly sought help from in the 2012 killing of Corey Kaufman appeared in court for the first time since their arrest.
And I believe all the seats were filled inside the courtroom, so if there was an overflow crowd, it was just from being an overflow crowd.
Some people unable to get in as a visiting judge from Santa Clara County postponed the arraignment of 5 people facing first-degree murder after some debate over whether to reduce their bail.
Whenever you have all the judges in the county having heard cases with an attorney and then that attorney is charged with a crime, they bring someone from the outside in order to handle that and be a neutral magistrate.
Multiple law enforcement agencies swooped in to arrest Carson Friday at his home in Turlock.
But we don't have the police reports that they're basing all of this on, so I can't comment on what the evidence is.
It's an affidavit that's been
According to the affidavit released the same day, Carson is described as the ringleader, enlisting henchmen and bringing his wife, stepdaughter, associates, and 3 current and former CHP officers into the scheme. A scheme investigators believe was designed to send a message to people he accused of stealing scrap metal and antiques from his property. Carson's attorney says he's looking forward to fighting the allegations in court.
Mr. Carson feels that we're not in a bad situation, and he's going to be exonerated.
And the 5 in court today face charges of first-degree murder, lying in wait, and false imprisonment. The DA is currently looking into whether to pursue the death penalty for them and should decide within the next week. Reporting live in Modesto, Linda Muma, KCRA 3 News.
And what about the 3 other people arrested Friday, Linda? What charges are they facing right now?
Well, I'm told that the 2 current CHP officers, as well as Carson's stepdaughter, they face conspiracy to commit a crime and allegedly covering up for the 5 others. They are scheduled to be arraigned next month.
All right, still a lot to sort out through all this. Linda, thanks.